Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to talk about styling and decorating with artificial flowers and plants. I think everyone loves real plants and flowers, but very often we find that some indoor plants and flowers can be very high maintenance and fussy with the light and water conditions they require, and keeping them pest free is another issue. And on top of it, if you keep traveling often or you have kids at home, then maintaining these plants and flowers can be a big hassle. But adding some natural looking for plants and flowers can give your home a very cozy and welcoming feel without any maintenance issue. So in today's video, I'm going to show you some very simple floral and plant arrangement so that you can easily deck up your home without worrying about the maintenance of the plants. And let me tell you, I bought all of these gorgeous faux plants and flowers from Flipkart as they offer up to 80% off on home decor items. So let me begin with a very basic arrangement. I am simply arranging some artificial roses from a brand called faux in a glass bottle. I did a DIY on this bottle, but you can take any clear glass bottle and add these roses. They are going to look gorgeous, and trust me, I have never seen such real looking faux flowers before. You can style this gorgeous rose bouquet in a vase or in a glass bottle like I do. I often create a cluster using my favorite faux plants, candles, some dried flowers and grasses, and it creates a beautiful vignette. Even create this vignette in any corner using a small round table or square stools. It is going to look very gorgeous in the evening. Moving on to my another favorite arrangement using faux plants. So here I am layering some frames. First of all, I start with a frame which has a neutral design or print, and then I add another smaller frame which has another neutral design. You can also do this with colorful frames, and then I add a beautiful small artificial faux plants which gives it a much needed life. So here I am putting this plant in a glass candle holder. You can use any pot, small pot as well. Such arrangements are very easy to create, and they can instantly add an elegant vibe to any corner of your home. Whether you are styling your console table or your floating shelves, you can recreate this arrangement in any corner of your home. The plant I'm using here is an artificial bonsai plant, which is usually very costly if you go for the real one. So I bought this one for a very pocket-friendly price from Flipkart. Flipkart is offering lowest prices ever on all the products, so please do check out their collection if you have been also looking for similar items. Adding a faux flower to any empty space will add a pop of color, texture and visual interest to our rooms without the fuss and muss of real plants. A neutral vase and a beautiful bunch of artificial flowers have added so much life in this corner. This was an empty space and I did not want it to add too many items, and here we are. Always go for neutral colored vases if your floral arrangement or flowers have a lot of colors in them. Flipkart is offering never before prices on such artificial flowers and plants, so I would remind you again to check out their collection. Let's talk about potpourri. I always used to spot potpourri at various hotels and malls, but I always used to stay confused about styling them. But recently I discovered arrangement which I really love, and I'm going to show you the same. So basically I have added some potpourri, some pine cones, some dried flowers and a candle, and it looks very cozy. Reminds me of a cozy cabin in mountains. If you are not aware, then let me tell you, potpourri is a mixture of flowers, herbs and spices that is usually kept in a jar, and it is used for scent. You can also use it for decorating your home, like I have filled some potpourri in a water dispenser. You can use any jar as well, and I have created a small vignette using a small vase, a decorative stone, and it looks very cozy. I can add some scent into this potpourri and my living room is going to smell amazing. Flipkart has huge collection of home decor items like painting, wall clocks and much more available from rupees 89 onwards. If you do not have a vase, then do not worry, you can use any glass bottle a glass jar, or maybe a candle holder, literally any beautiful round thing which can hold some flowers. Like the vase you see here is not actually a vase. This is something which is used for fishing in Assam. So here I am decking up my coffee table using some artificial plants and flowers. So here I am adding this beautiful bonsai artificial plant which looks perfect for a coffee table arrangement. If you have small kids and pets at home, then I do understand how difficult it is to keep real plants on your coffee table. They wait for a moment so that they can completely destroy the plant. So in that case, such plants come very handy. And here I'm going to show you another arrangement using some artificial plants, and I loved creating this arrangement. I have simply kept two empty vases at different height for creating a visual interest, and similarly I have added the two artificial plants which I have already shown you. Flipkart has best-selling decor at affordable prices, and this is why I like buying from them again and again. And last but not the least, I'm going to end this video with a very easy arrangement. You simply take a belly basket, a jute basket or a wicker basket and add in some beautiful white flowers. These flowers look so gorgeous. You can keep them in corner on your coffee table or even your dining table. They are going to add so much of elegance and class into your home. All the artificial plants and flowers I am showing you in today's video are some of the best sellers on Flipkart, so grab now or they will be gone. I am sharing all the product links in the description box. If in case you want to grab them, do check out the description box of this video. And that's it for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful. You found some ideas for your home. I will see you soon. Till then, take care and stay safe.